Classroom Spotlight.
This week we take a look at Miss Brown's 7th and 8th grade science class. First, her 7th grade class made a compass so they could find the azimuth, or compass bearings, of the four corners of the room.
They began by creating a compass circle with degrees and directions and placed it on the outside of a jar. They then used a compass to find the north and south before magnetizing a pin and floating it on the water, making the pin point north. The pin tended to sink, but with a little of Miss Brown's creative problem solving, students laid the pin on a small piece of paper to help it float.
Then we take a look at our 8th grade science class. We built a device out of only paper, string, paper clips, and tape that could pick up a ping pong ball from a distance and return it to the starting line. Let's take a look at the video. The 8th graders built a device that could pick up a ping pong ball from a distance and return it to a start line. The farther away the ball is, and the fewer materials they use, the higher their score would be. Joshua Chen and Joshua Gordon placed first. Sabrina, Aya, and Manya placed second. Hadia and Caroline placed third. And Ted and Ashton got honorable mention.
That was really fun. Congratulations to the Joshuas for winning first place.